Need your IBAN number for international transfers or bank setup? If you're using Revolut, it's super easy to find it in just a few taps. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to find and copy your IBAN. Let's jump right in and get it done. First, open your Revolut app on your phone or log in via the website. Tap your profile icon or initials in the top left corner. Scroll and select Account Details under the desired currency. You'll now see your IBAN and BIC Swift code. Tap Copy if needed. That's it. Your IBAN is ready to use. Easy, right? That's how to find IBAN on Revolut. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.